He wants to get done quick. So he's using a deck. You want to cut a piece of wood? There you go. Learn from Jon Paul.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre, part 5,000.
Oh my gosh. He's using a chainsaw to cut a piece of wood. Now my measurements will totally be off. As you can see, he's cutting a big...
I'm cutting the line.
Oh my goodness.
Stand back, please.
Love, cut it on this side of the line.
Please. It's danger.
Stop, love. It's not a joke. Oh my gosh.
Other side now, please.
You're crazy.
Instead of spending an hour with that saw, we're going to do it in 5 minutes with chainsaw. Much better.
Remember, stay on that side of the... Crazy.
A little bit more, Nicole, and it'll be done.
Make sure you got it on both sides. It's not going to flip up or anything.
Done. Thank you. Have a nice day.